Hey guys, it is Thursday morning once again. We are looking good on the Hoosie. For those of you who've been bumming out all summer with all the high water, we're back into the normal flow range. In fact, if anything, we're even a little on the low side right now. We're around 300 CFS. And what does that mean? That means the river is very wadeable. That means those of you on foot can hit just about every inch of the Housatonic at the moment. It also means, because the flow is down and clear and overall cool weather's here right now, it also means the trout are more apt to rise when you get bugs on the water. Two of the glamour quote-unquote hatches right now would be the Isonychia or Isos and the flying ants. The flying ants aren't a true hatch, it's a mating swarm, but September is a big month for that. They could be on the water at any time during the day. I would say late morning to early evening would be typical. And we're supposed to get a dribble of rain today. We got a chance of maybe scattered or isolated thunderstorms from mid to late afternoon through this evening. Doesn't look like it's going to be a whole lot, maybe a quarter inch, maybe a half inch. It would take a lot at this point with the flow down to push the river up too much. In fact, we could use a little dribble. The local brooks are pretty low. The long range weather looks incredible. After today, the highs are virtually all in the 60s. And almost every night is going down into the 40s, some even into the low 40s. That's going to pull the water temps down. That's going to ramp up the Isonychia hatches. September's the big month for that. They'll go into October, and it's going to get the trout fired up. A couple other things I should also mention. We have a few Grays rods left in the rack and 3 and 4 weights. We're doing those all at 25% off. We've replaced them with Douglas rods, which the president of that company is Jim Murphy, who is the same guy that put Grays on the map in North America. He was the president of Hardy North America. And he's come out with a line of rods, the DXF, which are very similar to the Gray Streamflex XF2 rods, right down to the Specialized 11.3, 11.4. Specialized rods like that for Euro nymphing and wet flies, and they're excellent. They're very reasonably priced. And they're even doing some switch rods from a 4 weight to an 8 weight in that series. I also want to plug our rainbow trout stocking. We're shooting for the end of this month. The state is tentatively planning on stocking the Housatonic on September 26th. That's a Friday, and we're shooting for the same day. We're still in the process of collecting funds, and guys, the more money we get, the more fish that are going in. These are really nice fish that are going to average 14 to 18 inches. They're fat. A few may even be bigger than that. We are set to have a great fall. Conditions are looking excellent for this weekend. The window of opportunity is here, guys, and I would get out there and fish. Stop by the store and say hi.